Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable Copilot on your Windows 11. So I am going to show you official method to enable this guys. So for this guys, there is only one method to enable the Copilot on your Windows 11. The method is this guys, you need to update your Windows 11 to the latest version. To update your Windows 11, go to Windows settings, go to Windows update, and here click on check for updates like this. Now it will show you if the update is available. If the update is available, just download and install it on your PC. After download and install, now what you need to do, in the Windows settings, go to personalization like this. In the personalization, go to taskbar like this, and in the taskbar here you can get the option to enable the Copilot. So from here you can easily able to enable the Copilot on your Windows 11. In case the Copilot option is not showing here after updating your Windows 11, now what you need to do, close the settings, and here you need to open the Microsoft Edge browser on your PC like this. After opening, you need to update your Edge browser as well. As to update the browser, click on three dots like this, go to help and feedback. From here open the about Microsoft Edge like this. So if the browser update is available, just simply you need to update your browser. After updating, now you need to log in your Microsoft account in the Microsoft Edge browser. After that, you can easily able to enable the Copilot on your Windows 11. Okay, so these are the two official methods to enable the Copilot on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys, the short simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.